Jaden. Okay, we're gonna video it so we can have proof, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what is mommy gonna do?
She's gonna give me a black eye.
Okay.
Wait, why exactly?
We're gonna give Jaden his.
And he agreed. How did you agree? Sorry, I have one on the other eye. From me? Yep.
No, I know you said I was.
She protects you.
You said I was gonna be the first one.
I know.
Okay,
You
here we go.
second.
Here we go.
You
One.
gotta do it like how I'm Paris
Oh.
does.
Okay. Wait, no, I'm doing it. 1, 2.
No.
Come on, Ireland. 3. You were gonna let me do it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, where's your eye? Okay. 1, 2. Wait, okay. Come on. Everybody wants to see Jaden's first black eye. 3.
It's not his first black eye. Remember when he hit himself with a remote? I just